If you are encountering an Epic Games Launcher installation error, then today we are here with some working fixes to resolve this issue and get Fortnite or any other games running. So let's get started. Firstly, ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for the Epic Games Launcher. For OS, Windows 10 or 11 or Mac OS, latest versions are recommended. And also in storage, at least 1 GB of free disk space. And make sure that your internet connection is stable and fast. Now, the other one is check your disk space and ensure the drive when you are installing the launcher has enough space. Disable your firewall or antivirus temporarily and add Epic Games Launcher to exception list for your security software. Sometimes regional restrictions or ISP blocks can cause this, so try using a VPN for Epic Games Launcher. If none of these work, then contact the Epic Games support page and provide details of your issues including error codes and log files. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.